Alright guys, so I'm going to do a real quick install video on how to install these guys. So you can use your little screwdriver, your trimmer removal tool. Just pop this guy out. Okay, and then you just disconnect. Okay. And then you have the two little ends. And we put the black one on this side. And you slide the red one right in here. You can get the damn thing. Alright, you can kind of see it's lighting up already. You can see the Scat Pack logo. Then all you do is just tuck the wires up underneath there. Make sure you put this big end in first. And then this is the most difficult part. It's just bending it just a little bit to get her to pop in. Get down just a little bit here. And I apologize. The video is not great quality. I'm no YouTuber, we'll just say that. And use your little screwdriver, your little push pin tool. Come on. And you pop it up in there. Come on, you bugger. Alright, got it installed. You can kind of see fits in there. It's a little looser than the factory one, but it looks pretty slick. And this is with lights on in the garage. And you can still see plenty of light outside the car. Really, really, really cool. So